Hello and welcome back to StartProto's online support videos. Today we're going to take a quick look at the management dashboard that StartProto has in-app. Some people go and use our open APIs to make their own dashboards, but more commonly we find people actually use the management dashboard to track quick metrics inside the shop. You can see our shop at a glance page lets you know how many orders are ready to ship, how many orders are in progress, how many orders are ready for work, and then we had the same view for purchase orders. So how many are in draft, how many are kind of drafted and in that draft state, how many are outstanding. We've kind of placed the purchase order, but we're waiting for material. And then how many are in that partial receive stage that we love so much when we've received maybe a couple of the items, but we're still waiting for some to come in. We have also metrics on how much work has gotten done today and the hours logged for that. And then we have week to date metrics as well that automatically accumulate based off the time people have logged in StartProto this week. We also have a log here of the work sessions that have occurred. Since this is a new account, there's not a lot to see here, but you can go in and download these and get a track of who's been working on what orders, how long it's taking, what machines are being used the most, etc. All from our work sessions that we're recording. We have NCRs. If we have non-conformance reports or scrapped items, we can see where that scrap is, what occurred in the record of what jobs we're scrapping what parts. We have operation analytics here, which actually tell us analytics on past sessions and whether or not we're getting better or worse at making parts. And then we have a comments section that will fill globally as people leave comments on jobs, take pictures of their setups. And then by using this comment section, we can see who's actively commenting on what jobs, drill into those and document that or choose to discard them according to what kind of comments were left behind. Thank you so much for tuning into the management dashboard portion of this tutorial series. If you have any questions, please feel free to email support@startproto.com and we will try to get back to you with the best advice we can. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.